Hello, Dave Kenworthy here, 7th of the 11th 2022. Just a short video explaining how the key qubits in historical metrology are designed and why they're called qubits. The qubit is a cubic unit, and it's also a square unit, and it's a straight line unit. And the overall design of a qubit, every metrologist expects a qubit to be a straight line measure in the Giza base, even though it's 20.736, which is 12 times 12 times 12 times 12 is 20736. Now, this is why this qubit, discovered by John Michell and John Neal, and Cubits uses it as well, is such an outstanding qubit, and why the metrology attached to it should be recognised by anyone interested in historical metrology. But what is not understood is how this qubit is constructed. And it's 12 over 10 times 12 over 10 times 12 over 10, which is a cubic unit. So we've got straight line unit there, square unit there, multiplying that by that, and a cubic unit there. And I call the base 12 qubit the imperial foot qubit because we multiply it by 12. So it's 12 over 10 times 12 over 10 times 12 over 10, which is 20736 divided by 1000, and that's it. Now the same applies to the base 10 imperial yard qubit, except we reverse this. 10 over 12, 10 over 12, 10 over 12, multiplied by the yard 36. We get 36000 over 1728. Now, if John Neal and Harry Sivertson cannot accept that these qubits are designed by the same people, and that this qubit is taking precedence over this one in the Giza design because it's given a base of 36666.6667 imperial inches, then I give up. Now, in terms of the GP base, it's multiplied by 1760, and that is 2. Now the Earth's circumference from this, all you do is multiply it by 1200 and you get the Earth's circumference in miles. There it is. And the same applies to Neal. And we know the Earth's circumference when this is 20.736 is 24883.2. Everybody studying metrology knows that. What they don't know is that divided by that gives this eclipse unit, which I discovered in my book Stonehenge, the Eclipse. I discovered it at Stonehenge. It's also in the imperial system. We multiply it by 4490 and we get the exact NASA Saros. And we get it every time. It's still here on this line. It doesn't change. It's a constant within Berryman's geodetic design. And if we multiply if we multiply the Giza base by 3600 there, we get the circumference in feet. And 132 is the lunar standard of Lagash, as discovered by Roland Boucher. Now, I'm not saying there's anything wrong with anything here. It's all good metrology. But the problem is these metrologists up here are not agreeing these metrologists down here. These metrologists are saying they're correct, and that this isn't. Well, I've got no comment now. That's it. Finished. Okay, thank you.